Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this video tutorial I am going to teach you about shape merge from compound object. So to understand shape merge, we are required to draw some object and shape. So I am going to draw any object shape. Suppose I am going to draw a wall like thing with the help of box. So I will go to my plan view and I will draw a wall like thing here, suppose. And in this you are required to define some segment. So I'm going to put some segment. So I'm going to enter 7 length segment, width segment as also 7, and height segment also as a 7. So if you go to your perspective view, you can go to default shading and you can select edged faces, and you can see these all are segment. So now I'm going to my elevation view and I will draw some shapes here. So I will go to 2D shapes here and I'm going to draw a pentagon or hexagon. You can see you have to use n-gon shape. So in elevation view I am going to draw a 2D shape here, and you can move it in a plan view and you can bring it in front. And now I will write a 2D text here. So I will select text and I will write in elevation view only. So this is the max text which is larger in size, so we will decrease the size here, this text, and I am going to write in word here, suppose architect. And now we are about to move this also, so we'll move this text and bring it further. So first thing you should be in mind that you are required to create segments in your object. So this hexagon and this architecture text is our shape and this is our object. So I'm going to select my object first, and then we'll go to our compound objects and I will select shape merge, and I'm going to select this one, pick operand, pick shape, and you can see instance, move, reference and copy. And if you refer my previous tutorial, you can understand the advantage of using instance and what is the advantage of using copy, move and reference. So I will use instance again, and operation we will see cooking cutter, merge and invert. So now I am going to select pick shape. So I will select instance and now I will select my first shape, which is our this text, and you can see this text is merged with this object which is wall. And again if you go down here, you can see operation here. So this is merged, and if you select this cookie cutter, it will be cut into this wall. So it is very handy. And if you will use invert, it will be invert. So now you can see use of merge and cookie cutter. So now I am going to again my shape merge here, and I will use my this pick shape, and I will select my second shape which is hexagon in this case, and you can see this is also merged with the wall. So if you will use instance, if you change the size of this hexagon, this will be applied here also, and this text size also it will be applied here. So this is the advantage of using instance. So this was the tutorial about shape merge, and the next video tutorial I will come with some more interesting topics in 3ds Max. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.